So, our TLS handshake was successful, and we have a secure, encrypted tunnel to the server. But how do we actually tell the server what we want to do? We use HTTP methods, also known as verbs. These dictate exactly how our browser interacts with the data on the other end. The most common method is the GET request. It simply says, read this file and send it to me. Every time you type a URL, you are sending a GET request. But what if you are logging in or uploading a file? That is a POST request. Instead of just asking for data, POST sends a payload of new data in the body of the request for the server to process. When we move into modern web apps and APIs, things get more complex. If you want to update your profile picture, you send a put or patch request. And if you want to wipe your account, that is a delete request. These methods physically alter or remove data on the server's database. And this is exactly where hackers make their money. Many poorly configured APIs will accidentally leave methods like put or delete exposed without proper authentication. Or an attacker will intercept a standard GET request, swap the verb to a POST, and bypass the security filters entirely to force the server into executing a command. Understanding how to read and manipulate these verbs is step 1 of web security. But how does the server keep track of who you are after that first login request? That introduces the magic of cookies and sessions. Send a POST request to that subscribe button so you never miss an update.